I'm gonna quick recipe. It said Quickie with Roy. I don't know what you people were thinking, but I'm still just cooking. I'm gonna make some Southwest salad. I have diced tomatoes, green chilies, 2 cans of that. Put about a half can of whole crumb corn. Once again, this has got green chilies in it. That's where it gets a little bit sweet. And roughly, you haven't got to be perfect. You don't have to count each kernel of corn. So, you know what? This is a pretty thick order. Usually, I only use 1 can, so I use half can everything else. So I got 2 cans in there. I'm going to put a whole can of corn in it. I am going to put mushrooms in it. I usually have about half can of red beans, half can of black beans. A half can. Wow. The whole can looks good. Like I said, I kind of doubled this up a little bit. It's kind of a quick lunch. Oh my God, I forgot my lunch. I've got to get something done. I got to get something in me because I turn into a real prick when I'm not, when I haven't eaten well. I don't know if it happens to anybody else, but it happens to me all the time. Yeah, just a skosh too much corn in it. I'm only going to use half can of black beans. Just stir that up. It shouldn't be quite that yellow. So half can of corn will get it. Otherwise, you're going to be making a stew pot full of this stuff. And once again, we had some leftover chicken in the fridge, so I seasoned this. This is seasoned with cumin only. So it's going to have a little bit of a taco flavor to it. And the cast iron skillet isn't near big enough. Once again. Put that in, stir it up. So you guys can actually say, oh my God, this guy just dumps a bunch of shit out of a can and heats it up. Well, that's what this is. It's a very simple lunch. It is larapin good. And in between the seasoning that's on the chicken and the mild heat coming off of the green chilies from the tomatoes, this makes a really, really good Southwest salad. Okay. This is boiled down quite a bit. That's what it's supposed to look like right there. Like I said, this is I've got black beans, and I'll go in here by half can, not full can like I did all the rest of them, because you just overpowered the beans. Stir those in. Stir this in from the edge so I'll get good and mixed up. Also, I've been told that there is supposed to be some bell pepper in this. I didn't put any bell pepper in it, but I have one because I wasn't going to put this in right away because this is supposed to be oh my God, I'm late for lunch and I forgot my work kind of a thing. So, bell pepper is going to be really good in there. It does enhance flavor a little bit. I got another teaspoon of cumin in here, and of course some garlic because I'm cooking it. And the way I do the tortillas, you can do them in a microwave, but they're real sneaky about that because they'll get tough, chewy. You can throw it across the top there. But I mean, this is ready to throw in a can, run to work. And it took just that long to make. So if you drain your tomatoes right, then that's it. You wouldn't have to go through the extra 10-15 minutes that I was off cam waiting for it to boil down. I put them over the top of this. This is good. Kids for lunch, slap it together, throw it down their neck. Now you can also, if you want to make some really good muffins, like a lot of unnamed restaurants do it. You can put this in here, roll it up, seal it, and then deep fry it. That's really good. Kind of makes an egg roll kind of a thing. Or you can use egg roll wraps and put it in there. That's really good too. Doesn't give you the doughy taste that's tortilla will. Just get that warmed up and flexible in there. And of course, my plate's occupied with all the other stuff that I took out, so I have to do this with my hands. Nice and popped in there. Set a fire on under it. These come out excellent every time I make them. You just almost can't screw this up. I mean, you can, but you gotta work at it. And there you go. There you go. Chicken. That's Southwest. Good Southwest flavor to it. It smells amazing. Put some stuff on here. It's full belly. I have a mouthful of searing hot veggies in my mouth. That is good. Listen to me chew into the microphone here. Anyway, that's it. That is it. Once I'm off camera, I'm going to dice that up. I'm going to dice this up in little chunks. You can put it in slivers. You can do whatever you want to do with it. This will be your dish. This is just how I make it. And that tastes real good, and it tastes just like that restaurant's place, And so since this is it, I'll turn the fire off out from underneath this thing. And I'm going to go eat. So, till the next time, I'm out of here. See ya!